All right, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account using an Android. It's pretty much just like the iPhone version, but slightly different. So you need to, if you haven't already downloaded the Gmail app, you need to do that by going to the Google Play Store. That's this icon right here. In the Google Play Store, you're going to search Gmail. If it's already on your phone, you'll just see a green open button. If not, you'll see a button to download it. So either download it if you don't have it or open it if you already do. All right, when you come into Gmail, if you've already got a Gmail account, you're going to see all your emails from Gmail, right? But if you don't have one, or if you haven't ever set one up on here, you'll click this little button right here, and you'll have an option to add another account or to create a new account or to manage the accounts if you don't have any on here, okay? So you click add another account, choose Gmail, and then it's going to make us use a password. I'm going to edit this part out. If you already have a Gmail that you just want to link, you would do that, but this video is about creating a new one. So you're going to click create account. For myself, for my business. Business costs money usually, so you want to do for myself. Then put in your name. Once you put your first and last name in, click next. Put your birthday in. You have to be at least 13, by the way, so if you choose to use a fake birthday. You have to put in a birthday, but if you choose to put in a fake birthday, make sure you are at least 13 or it won't work. All right, it's giving me options for my Gmail. If I like those, I can choose them. Otherwise, I can create my own Gmail address. So we'll do that. Okay, now I have to choose a password. Now, the password must be 8 characters. You can show it if you want to see it. But the password must be 8 characters long, and it must have at least one number and one special character or a symbol, or it will not work. All right. You can check that by showing your password. Click next. Say yes, I'm in at the bottom. You can use this address. Okay, so click next. You have to agree to their terms. Click agree. Just a sec. All right, and it's done. If you did this correctly, you'll be looking at a brand new Gmail account with a welcome to Gmail on it. Now go out and make your own. Go build. Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Before you go anywhere else, check out this playlist I created for you. Everything you can ever need or want to know about Gmail is found in this playlist. Click the video playlist and watch. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications.